Today we are going to make peanut sauce. I have these spicy peanuts and I wanted to use them for something, so I decided I was going to make peanut sauce for my salad with them. So we're going to put 1 tablespoon of garlic powder in. We're going to put in a tablespoon of sesame oil. Two tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. 2 tablespoons of lime juice now. Two tablespoons of vinegar. Now we're going to blend and I'll be right back. Okay, we blended it for a few seconds, but it needs more liquid, so I'm going to pour more. Hello, Editing Lacey here. I ended up adding 1.5 cups of milk to get the desired consistency. I've transferred the peanut dressing from the blender into another dish, and now I'm going to take a scoop of it and put it on the salad. Hello, it's Editing Lacey again. Just FYI, I put too much sauce on the salad and I had to add more salad to my salad. Also, I didn't put sugar in the sauce and I think it would taste a lot better with sugar. I would say it should have had a couple tablespoons of sugar or honey. Thanks for watching.